Sita. So I'm a technical lead over here in JSpiders Punjagutta branch. So she's one of our students. She got placed. Let her share her beautiful experience. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Anupama. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have completed my MCA in Krishna Chaitanya Institute of Science and Technology in 2023. After completion of my MCA exams, I joined JSpiders to improve my technical skills. And I completed with Java full stack development course.
Okay, very good. So now when you have joined in the month of
May 2023.
Very good. What are the courses you have completed here?
SQL, Web Technologies and Advanced Java course.
Whose batches you attended? Who was your trainer?
Java trainer is Vivek sir and Pawan sir, and Web Technology trainer is Geeta ma'am, and Advanced Java trainer is Radha ma'am, SQL trainer is Afro sir.
Okay, so how you felt? What are the faculties here? What you have learned by them? Are they really good in that gaining new knowledge? And are they focusing each and every one in the student? What is your experience? What do you want to tell about trainers here? Please share now.
I completed my MCA even though I don't know any knowledge on technical skills. After I joined here, I learned a lot through the faculties only. JSpiders Punjagutta team supported a lot to get placed here.
Very good. You attended grooming classes, presentations,
Yes,
everything mock. Yes. Was
Everything
it really helpful for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I have a lot of stage fear. By attending that only, I overcome some.
Okay, fine. So you have grooming classes also to attend the interview, correct? What you have learned in the grooming classes especially?
First, I completed SQL, and after that, I learned core Java, Web Technologies, and Advanced Java. By attending grooming classes, they revise all the things in that grooming classes, so that we can remember those things.
Okay, fine. So very good, ma'am. All the best for your future, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.